today we are replacing this 98-inch TV. As you can see, there's a bit of damage in the corner here. We're going to be taking it off today and replacing it with a newer model, which you will see later in the video.
We've just taken the old TV off the wall, and right now we're removing the mounting bracket from the back. As you can see, the TV's resting up against the fence for now. Not the most practical spot, but it works for the moment. The screen's actually being recycled, the damage left it beyond repair, and replacing the panel will cost more than the TV itself. Here the team are arriving with the new replacement screen and taking the old one for recycling. As you can see, we're unboxing the replacement screen outside, mainly because we needed the space and it wasn't fitting through the hallway very well. Box is huge on this 98-inch, just bear that in mind. Of course, this is the UK, so naturally just as we started it looked like it was about to rain. Brackets re-secured, HDMI cables are in place along with the mains and the aerial. What do you think of the picture quality on this 98-inch Samsung? What's your favourite TV and why? Let us know in the comments.